802. So Puan Siti, is this a record?
Yes.
It is. It's a new record, everyone. May the force be with CK.
Okay, that was an attempt to break the Malaysia World Record of the most Funko, Star Wars Funko for a fan. So they broke it and they got 802 Funko figures. So yeah, if you want to beat that record, 802 is the number. Day 2 of TAGCC, nothing much of vlogging today, so if there's any clips and everything, I will just put a short video. And then today's there's 2 things on stage that I will be recording, and that's it. Babao's performance as well as the workshop from Rikka on an LED. Yeah. And I think that's about it. Nothing much. I'm not going to the cosplay area now. It's only 11:30. Babao's performance is at 12, and I think Rikka's workshop is 2 or 3. I can't remember. I will check later. But yeah. So overall, day 2 will be a bit chill for me. Plus, I need to go off early because I have a family wedding later. So catch you guys later. Babao performance done. It was a short one. It's like 18 minutes. So now is 12:20. So I'm just walking around first, and then the workshop. Okay, I still haven't checked what time is the workshop, but I will record it as well. So I will move along. Okay, I'm at the area and then I've bumped into Rikka. So quick selfie and then that's all. I think I'm going for lunch for now. And yep, that's all. I'm done with my lunch and somehow Sunday there are still people coming in and some of them even just buying tickets now. It is 1:50 p.m. So yeah. Alan Kwah is here and he brought some comics with him. So I guess we can buy and also have it signed.
What you really need to know is LED, there is always a long leg and a short leg.
And Rikka's workshop done. It's basically on LED, mostly are electricals, which is good to know as well. And yeah, I didn't know that I would be going into a class on a Sunday. But yeah, I think that is all for this vlog, the day 2 vlog. So yeah, if you enjoy the content, hit the like button and do subscribe. Bye.